Hello guys, I'm Gaurav and welcome back to Gaurav's Art and Craft World. Friends, in my last video I have shown the clay work of this bottle decor and now in this video I'm going to show you how to color it. For the materials details, please check the description box below. First of all, take flesh tint acrylic color and color Maa Durga's face, neck, hands and other visible body parts. Now take light green and color her blouse. After that, take crimson and white and color her sari in this way. Now take burnt sienna and lemon yellow, mix them properly and color Mahishasure's head, horns and ears. Now take black and color her hair. Also color the clay designs except the flowers. After completing this, take burnt sienna and highlight Maa Durga's hair by using a dry brush. For background, you can use purple pink or purple violet. At first, by using a small size brush, create a border around Maa Durga. Now by using a sponge, color the whole bottle except the clay parts. After that, take white acrylic color and color the flowers. Now take cone 3D outliner white and create her necklace. For the middle part of her trident, I'm using metallic silver color. Now take gold dust and color the upper part and lower part of the trident. Take golden yellow and color the middle part of the flowers. Now take crimson and create some designs on her clothes by using a 000 brush. Now for the last finishing, take pearl metallic gold, highlight some clay parts and let it dry. So guys, our Maa Durga bottle decor has completed and this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Try to make this bottle decor by yourself and don't forget to show me your artwork on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.